Greetings everyone. In today's video we are going to be doing a restock and collection at my 3 machines I have at a hotel. As you can tell, I needed some snack chips there. I think that Dr. Pepper on top was mine, so I'm entitled to drink from my own inventory. We're going to get the chips restocked. Really wish the bags weren't full of so much hot air, because then it would make it easier to put them in these coils. Or if anybody knows where I can get a 9-count coil instead of a 10, I'll take it. Just that little bit more space will help with fitting in more bags, or fitting the bags in better with less jams. See, what do I got left? I got 2 more bags to put in there. It was getting to the bottom of the box, so it's going to be just a general mix. Hope everyone's machines are doing well. You hope your business is doing well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. Looks like I need some more honey buns and Pop-Tarts, so those are going to go in next. For the vending business, for the full line side, I'd say this is the longest thing it takes me for when I'm doing these shifts. Is restocking the snack machines take the longest amount of time. I think I realized I just didn't have enough there, so I'm going to have to go down and get some more later. I think, yep, we're going to throw some more Hershey's cookies and cream bars in there. Candy bar down. Oh man, the camera glitched out. So I'm going to go ahead and get on the collection here. Sorry about that. I lost a bit of footage. But I had put some Sour Patch Kids in the bottom and restocked all the soda. Didn't realize until I was editing it that I was missing a clip and it was corrupted. So I'm going to go ahead and get onto the collection here. Dropped a quarter, so it goes in the bucket. So for this week I did $126.50 in total, and $51.20 of that was in credit cards. So that's not a bad week. That's about a pretty good split. On to the snack machine I have downstairs. Use the code 720vending at checkout to get $30 off on Cantaloupe card readers, whether it's the ePort Engage series for vending machines or the G11 Pulse kit for your amusement machines. Saves you a bunch of money. No limit on that, on either of those two. Cantaloupe's been really good to me over the years. So I decided to help them out and then pass the savings on to you guys. Getting the chips all squared away. The middle columns didn't need anything this week, so I'm just going to get some stuff down here to the bottom. I do believe I got to put some more Sour Patch Kids in. I think that's what I'm doing now. It's been a few weeks since I filmed this, and I've been back a couple of times since. Yep, it's getting some more Sour Patch Kids. Those tend to be really popular. I am right about to raise the prices at my hotel to like $2 for the candy. It's at $1.75 right now. The inflation is starting to be worse and worse, so it's not getting any better. Not with current politics. Let's see, gonna throw some, I think I'm gonna throw some more popcorn in. Not sure. Nope, honey buns and some donuts, I believe. Nope, just some honey buns this week. I like to let the donuts run out. That way I don't have to worry about expiring product. I do got some new products in here you'll see in the next video to fill in those empty coils, since I can't get grandma's cookies anymore. This machine, being cash and coin only, did $25.25 for the week. I'm sure it'll go up even more once I can get a card reader on it. So we've got one more machine to go, and that's going to be my soda machine right behind this. This is my USI CB300 upgraded with an N1 board. If you're interested in that, you can always hit me up. Machine didn't need any sodas this week, so it's just a collection. It's got like 6 coins in there. I still took it because it was the end of the month when I did the video. On to the cash. Machine did $48.75 for the week, $10.25 that was in credit cards. So for the week, we didn't do too bad here. Could it have been better? Yes. Hopefully next time it will be. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.